Hello everyone! Welcome back to English on the Way, the fun and easy way to learn English. I'm Charles.
Hello, Charles. Hi, everyone. I'm so happy to be here with you today. I just finished my morning coffee, so I am ready to go.
Oh yeah, coffee is very important for a busy workday. Actually, that reminds me of our topic today.
Oh, really? Are we talking about coffee again? Because you know I love that topic.
Not coffee today, Rachel. We are talking about jobs and work. It is something we all do almost every day.
Exactly. Talking about your job is so useful. When you meet new people, it is usually the first question they ask you.
That is so true. It's a great way to make new friends and practice your English. But sometimes people feel nervous answering.
I know, right? They worry about making mistakes or using the wrong words. But today, we will make it very simple and easy.
Step by step, we will learn the best phrases to talk about your workday. So, Rachel, what is the most common question people ask?
Well, people usually say, "What do you do?" It's a short question, but it means, "What is your job?"
Yep, what do you do is much more common than asking, what is your job? It sounds very natural.
For sure. And Charles, if someone asks you that question today, how do you answer them simply?
I just say, I am an English teacher. You just use I am a or I am an, and then say your job title.
Absolutely. For example, you can say, "I am a driver," or "I am a nurse." It is very straightforward.
Right. But what if you don't want to say your exact job title? Maybe your job title is difficult to say in English.
That happens a lot. Instead of the title, you can just say where you work. You can say, "I work at a hospital," or "I work in a school."
Oh, yeah, that is a great tip. Saying the place is sometimes much easier than explaining the exact job.
Totally. You can also say, "I work for an IT company," or "I work in a restaurant." People will understand your day right away.
And remember, everyone, you don't need big, complicated words. Simple English is always the best English.
Basic words are super clear. Once you say your job, the other person usually asks about your daily tasks.
Good point. So, how do we talk about what we actually do all day? What verbs are good for A1 and A2 learners?
I love using the word help. Many jobs are just about helping people. For example, "I help customers," or "I help children learn."
That is so true. Even in my job, I like to say, I help people speak English with confidence.
Exactly. Help is a wonderful word. Another great verb is make. You can say, "I make food," or "I make websites."
Yes, make is very useful. I also like the verb use. Many of us use computers, phones, or special machines every day.
Yep. "I use a computer all day" is a very common sentence now. Almost everyone can say that.
I know, right? And it is good to talk about when your day starts and finishes. That helps paint a picture of your life.
For sure. You can say, "I start work at 8 in the morning and I finish at 5. It is very simple to remember.
And if your schedule changes every week, you can just say, I have different hours every day. That is totally fine to say.
That is a great example. But Charles, what if someone works from home? That is super popular now.
Oh yeah, remote work is everywhere. You can simply say, I work from home. You don't need any special prepositions there.
Right, just "I work from home." I actually love working from home sometimes, especially on rainy days.
Me too. Now, when we talk about work, it is also nice to share how we feel about it. Emotions make the conversation interesting.
Absolutely. You can tell your new friend what you like about your job. For example, "I like my job because my coworkers are nice."
Coworkers is a great word. Those are the people you work with. Having good coworkers makes a big difference.
It really does. You can also say, I love my job because I learn new things every day. That is very positive.
But let's be honest, Rachel. Work is not always easy and fun. Sometimes we have very hard days.
Oh, totally. Some days are very stressful or we feel very tired. It is normal to talk about that too.
Yes, you can say, my job is sometimes difficult, or I am very busy this week. People will understand and feel connected to you.
Exactly. We all have busy days. And if you are learning English for your job, sometimes that adds extra pressure.
That is a really important point. Many of our friends listening right now need English for their work every single day.
Yes, and speaking a new language at work can feel scary. You might worry about making a mistake in front of your boss.
I understand that fear, but please remember, mistakes are just steps on the road to learning. You must believe in yourself.
I agree completely. Your coworkers don't expect you to be perfect. They just want to communicate with you and work together.
That is the truth. Just take it step by step. When you don't know a word, just smile and use a simpler word.
Yep, or you can just ask for help. You can say, could you repeat that, please? Or please speak a little slower?
Those are powerful phrases. Never give up on your English journey, even if you have a tough meeting at work.
For sure. Every time you speak English at work, you are growing stronger. You should be very proud of your hard work.
Absolutely. And speaking of working hard, our listeners are doing a fantastic job practicing with us today.
They really are. And hey, if you are enjoying this conversation and learning new phrases today, make sure to click that like button.
Yes, please like the video and subscribe to English on the Way. It really helps us grow our wonderful learning family.
And don't forget to share this episode with a friend who is learning English too. You can practice talking about your jobs together.
Oh yeah, practicing with a friend is the best way to learn. We also want to hear from you in the comments below.
Exactly. Please write a comment and tell us, what do you do? Write one simple sentence about your job in English.
We can't wait to read your comments. Even if you are a student or retired, tell us about your daily routine.
Right. Being a student is a very hard job too. So, Charles, let's review some of the great ideas we talked about today.
That sounds like a plan. Let's do a quick mini recap to help everyone remember the most useful tools.
First, when someone asks about your job, they will usually say, "What do you do?" It is short and very common.
Yep, and to answer, you can use your title, like I am a teacher, or the place, like I work in an office.
Exactly. Then use simple action verbs to describe your day. Words like help, make, start, finish, and use.
And finally, don't be afraid to share your feelings. You can say you like your job or that you are just very busy today.
Most importantly, remember our mindset tip. Don't let the fear of mistakes stop you from speaking English at work.
Step by step, your confidence will grow. Just keep trying and always believe in yourself and your skills.
I love that. Now I think it would be super helpful to hear how all these phrases sound together in real life.
I agree. Let's jump into our special practice session for today. This will show you how to use everything naturally.
Let's do it. Today, let's imagine we are meeting for the first time at a casual work event, like a community lunch.
Perfect. I will start. Hello. It is nice to meet you. I'm Charles.
Hi, Charles. It is great to meet you too. My name is Rachel. Are you enjoying the lunch today?
Oh yeah, the food is delicious. So, Rachel, what do you do?
I work at a local school. I'm a science teacher. I help young students learn about nature and animals. How about you?
That sounds like a wonderful job. I work for a software company. I use a computer all day, and I help design new programs.
Oh, very cool. Do you work in an office or do you work from home?
I work from home most of the time. I start at 9 in the morning, and I finish around 5. It is busy, but I really like my job.
That is great. I like my job too, especially because my coworkers are super friendly and helpful.
Having nice coworkers is the best. Well, it was really nice talking about work with you, Rachel.
You too, Charles. Have a great afternoon.
And that is the end of our practice conversation. Did you see how simple and natural that was?
Yes, we used basic words, asked easy questions, and kept the conversation friendly. Anyone can do this.
Exactly. You don't need to be perfect to have a great conversation in English. You just need to try.
I know, right? Every time you try, it gets a little bit easier. So next time someone asks, "What do you do?" you're ready.
You really are. Thank you so much for spending your time with us today, everyone. We're so proud of your progress.
Yes, thank you, everyone. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below about your job.
Keep learning, keep practicing, and remember, you can do it.
Bye, everyone. See you next time on English on the Way.
Goodbye, friends. Have a wonderful week.